Hey guys, so I will do just a quick video of Squishy shop updates. So I have 4 Squishy to show you guys. I just got like earlier on, so I got 4 of them, and 3 is bun and 1 is donut. So all came in original packaging except for this one. I just put in this bigger packaging here. So because and they're already textured. So I will start to do a detail. So I'll start with this one, with this face burn, and this is really centered, and it came in a black siphon strap, and it's really textured at the back, has no defects at all, and all this will be $150 each. And so I got this one, then this one, this donut. I actually had this before, but I got it again. It's like baby pink, I guess, green drizzle, and some frosted with yellow peanuts and stuff. And the packaging, it just says it's made in China. Black siphon strap. And then I got this burn. The other same. So it's really textured at the back, and the packaging, black siphon strap, and lastly this another kissy face bun I got. Really textured, black siphon strap, and all this will be $150 each. And if you buy a grab bag of this 4, instead of $6, it's only $5.50, because it's pretty expensive when I got this 4. So you could choose to buy them individual or a grab bag of 4, which is $5.50. So and the rules and everything, I actually make a rules video, so you could check out on my channel, and please subscribe to me, like this video, and comment what you think. So that's all for a quick video. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.